Henan Fohome Sanitary Ware Company Limited is professional in sanitary ware manufacturing and trading for many years. It is located in Ceramic Industrial Park of Changge City, Henan Province. Products cover one-piece toilet, two-pieces toilet, wall-hung toilet, wash basin, bidet, urinal, seat cover, bathroom vanities, bathroom accessories. Full production equipment of our partner from R&D, material mixing, pulp supply, high-press grouting, robot glazing, one automatic semi-production transportation line, 3 tunnel kilns and 1 shuttle kiln. Ensure annual production capacity 6 million pieces in fast delivery. Keeping the needs of customers in mind, Fohome extends its product portfolio from sanitary wares to accessories. One-stop shop solution. Until now, we have successfully cooperated with over 30 customers from North and South America, Western and Eastern Europe, India, Middle East, Southeast Asia, South Africa, etc. Our confidence in quality comes from control from developing, molds production, raw material, semi-product inspection, finished product inspection, etc. We can test each batch of products by random sampling according to standard in laboratory. On-site loading supervision makes sure goods are sound before container closing and make full use of container to help you save freight. Time and technology is changing, while pursuit of quality and service is unchanging. To make customer purchase easy, safe, and highly efficient is our goal. We always adhere to this original intention and strive to provide customer excellent service. Fohome, for your beautiful home.